Levoča. Levoča is a beautiful medieval city in Slovakia, easily recognizable thanks to its burgher houses and large main square. The must-see attraction of Levoča is the Gothic Basilica of Saint James, built in 14th century, where you can find the world's tallest wooden altar of Master Paul of Levoča. In the town's main square stands also the Old Town Hall. The Gothic town hall from 15th century was replaced with a Renaissance-style one after a fire. Today it houses a museum focused on the history of the town. The most beautiful facade in the town has the Thurso's house, which used to belong to the most powerful families of Thurso and Csáky. It is the only building in the city with a Renaissance attic. Do not miss the iron cage of shame standing next to the town hall, which used to serve for public punishment of people who did not behave according to the then moral values. For instance, when a woman walked out in the dark without a man, she ended up in this cage for 24 hours. It takes only 15 minutes from Levoča to the Spiš Castle, so you can visit both places the same day. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.